Go home happy with the 2024 Hyundai Elantra. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, alarm, blind spot monitor, traction control, daytime running lights, side airbag. Get the refinement you deserve when you drive away in this stylish Elantra. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.